This week I'm gonna learn how to spin the bow staff as fast as my mentor Master Yendi. To do that, there are 3 essential skills I must learn.
Starting with the easiest one, the skip catch.
I'm starting off by learning from my own kind, YouTubers.
Oh wow, he sped up so fast. He put his hand here, spun, caught. This makes no sense, dude. I think where I'm messing up is a spin. I'm supposed to like skip a spin and then catch it. Or when I try to skip the spin, like it flies out of my hand.
I've rewatched the tutorial a couple of times and I realized I'm making a really stupid mistake.
Yeah. Oh, I was going the wrong way. Ah! So okay, I got the first step right. I'm spinning it right, and it's falling into my hand. Now my next challenge is each time I do this, the stick is moving. Look at that, like I caught it here instead of catching it in the center.
So I'm taping the middle of the staff, that way I can catch the center every single time.
Wow, that's so much easier. When you do it right, it feels like you're going with the flow of gravity. You get an instant tactile feedback. It almost feels effortless when you do it right. So the good thing is I'm not dropping the staff anymore, but I'm not going very fast. It looks a little lame.
I think the only solution is to get more practice in. So over the next couple days, I spent all my free time practicing the skip and catch. Now I'm able to do the move at a decent speed without dropping the staff.
Do I look sexy? Do I look like Tom Cruise?
Sure, honey.
And the secret that makes me faster at spinning is when I'm making the spin, when it lands in my left hand, do like a push down motion.
The skip and catch is the most basic of the 3 skills. I still have 2 more to learn.
Now it's time to learn the second skill called Pinky Leads the Way, like the British drink their tea. So it's like a one-handed side spin, doing like a figure 8 through the air almost. Pinky, pinky, pinky. Am I doing it right?
I think so. Definitely.
Pinky, why'd you go that way? You gotta go the right way this time, okay?
Give a kiss. Oh.
I don't know if I'm doing it right.
Yes, you are. Just keep practicing.
It hurts your wrist. The stick is extremely heavy. So I don't know how he's able to spin it really fast. This is extremely hard on your shoulders and wrist. It's pretty good, right?
You're getting it. Except you look like you're a dancing monkey.
It takes a lot of force to keep it in the air with one hand. This one is not necessarily harder in technique, but is a lot more dangerous. You can get hit here, or your head. I think I need a helmet for this one. I'm ready. Oh, this is useful, bro. I would have been brain damaged by this point. Good idea.
The added protection gave me the confidence to attempt a faster spin.
Do I look weird? I want to look cool.
You look half cool, but when you do like the bendy legs, it's...
Yeah, I think I look a little stupid. I think the lesson of the day is you gotta look stupid before you look cool.
My speed and swag is still a little far off from Master Yendi, so I reviewed the tutorial again.
You know what I just noticed? My stance was wrong. I was putting the wrong leg in front. That's why I was getting hit. It's supposed to be the same foot in front as my hand. So when it comes over here, there's space. Instead of I've been getting hurt for no reason.
It feels like I just made a huge step forward, but there's still one more problem.
I gotta learn to control the motion in the middle to make a smaller circle so it spins faster. He's turning in front here. Dude. So before I was going like this. See how big that movement is? There's no way I can go fast. But when I switch the stance, go here and spin right here.
The staff is now using the momentum of my entire body, which allows it to spin much faster. But I feel the need for speed. So I'm visiting the shopkeeper to acquire a staff upgrade.
I'm looking for one that can spin really fast.
Okay, probably the tabletop style. So this one's just kind of meant for more speed wise.
I acquired a brand new red oakwood bow staff.
We don't need this one anymore. I got a new toy. This one is much lighter, has tapered edges, so I'm able to spin much faster. My head is ringing.
You okay though?
Increase my agility, decrease my intelligence. I've gotten what I wanted, but it was not without sacrifice. We must persevere and come out stronger and stupider. I found out the key to doing this exercise right is going with the flow of your staff. When it comes here, it naturally wants to fall down. You shouldn't resist it. You should go down with it. Just like be like water, you know? Flow with your staff like that. That's how you go fast.
The first two skills are just the fundamentals of bow staff spinning. Now I need to combine both to perform the last and hardest skill.
Thumb leads the way to the back. Oh, I think it's leading the this way. Out, turn, catch, spin, scoop up, and then go like this.
Yes,
There we go. I got the motion. Okay, now I just gotta do it fluidly. Pretty good, right?
Oh, that was pretty good.
Yeah, not bad, right?
I'm actually impressed right now.
This is like third try. I think it's because all these skills I've already mastered from previously. So that's why it's like relatively easy to put it together. Also, it feels like when I first started this challenge, I wasn't in control of the stick. But right now, this motion, the spinning motion, it almost feels like second nature. It's almost like walking. I can do this like in my sleep. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's not a problem, baby. Like I feel it. This is a part of me now. It's like breathing, baby. It's nothing.
That was a little excessive, but yes, very good.
Although I got down the motion, I'm still having trouble doing it smoothly.
When you can't get the full thing down, what you should do is just break it up in parts. I'm gonna practice each individual part individually and then put them together. This will help me focus on the mistake areas.
Starting off with the right turn, to the trickiest part, the handoff, to the left turn, and back to the spin.
I'm getting the motion down. The only problem I have now is doing it faster. What I love about the bow staff is that it's a skill with unlimited cap. I can develop this skill forever and ever. I can pursue a mastery in this craft. With skill number 2, I've hurt myself a lot. And even now, I still have PTSD that I'm gonna get hit in the head. But for this final performance, I just pushed through the fear and kept on going. And that's a metaphor for life, bros. Keep that in mind. If you thought the bow staff was cool, click here to watch me train like Bruce Lee for 7 days. I'm even dressed like him today. Click right here.